Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you the test of the Xiaomi outdoor security camera where it's still recording when I just take out the SD card. Okay, as you can see now the SD card still inside the camera, and now if I take out the SD card from the camera, what will happen to the app that show the live view display? Okay, so now it's still show the live view, and now let's take out the SD card. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, now I take out the SD card, and now it show loading. Okay, and the live view still display. Okay, now you can see the live view is still display on the app. And now let playback. I think the playback will not work because we already take out the SD card from the camera. So I think that's not playback. Okay, already loading. Okay, now let's try to input the SD card back to the camera. And okay, press to SD card again. It's so no memory card. Okay, so I think we need to go out and go in again, playback. Okay, once we can to this one. Okay, now I try to take out the SD card one time and then input it back, and now it's no the SD card again. And now let's press playback, and you will see all the playback. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the testing. Will this Xiaomi outdoor security camera work without SD card or not? And the answer is yes, but you cannot play back the video history because there's no storage inside the camera. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.